Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account without waiting for a week. If you recently deactivated and reactivated your Instagram account, you normally have to wait 7 days before you can deactivate it again. Here's a workaround. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Tap the hamburger menu, then go to Settings. Head to Account Center, then tap Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control. Here, you'll see the option to deactivate or delete. Tap on it. If Instagram is making you wait 7 days to deactivate, you can use the Delete option instead as a workaround. When you select Delete Account, Instagram gives you 30 days before permanently deleting it. During this time, your account is essentially deactivated. No one can see it. Simply log back in within 30 days to reactivate your Instagram account, and it will be restored. This works similarly to deactivation, but bypasses the 7-day waiting period. Just remember, if you don't log back in within 30 days, your Instagram account will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Unfortunately, there's no official way to bypass Instagram's 7-day deactivation rule. Instagram implements this waiting period to encourage users to reconsider their decision. And that's how you can work around the Instagram deactivation waiting period. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Instagram tips and account management tutorials. Thanks for watching.